Hi dear students, this is Ms. T.M. Rahini from Sir Isaac Newton CBSE and Metric School, Papakoil, Nagapattinam. Today I am going to teach you class 4th English, 3rd lesson. We have already seen 2 lessons. The 3rd lesson is Light Years Ahead. The topic is the electrifying life of Nikola Tesla. Children, do you know who is Nikola Tesla? Yes, he is a scientist, inventor, genius, that is Nikola Tesla, the man behind the electrical power system we all use today. I think you may know what is electrical power system. Children, look at the board. You have 7 points here. I'll teach you 7 points today. Look at the first point. He was born in Smiljan, Croatia in 1856. Tesla was one of 5 children. Actually, his parents has 5 children. He is one among them, and he was born in 1856. Then move to the second paragraph, second point. Look at the second point. Tesla got his scientific curiosity from his mother. She was constantly inventing small household appliances. What is household appliances? Like you have refrigerator, television, washing machine, air conditioner. These are all called as household appliances. Okay, so he got this kind of scientific curiosity from his mother. Then look at the third point. It is at the bottom. Tesla loved science and mathematics. He loves science and mathematics. Do you love science and mathematics? Okay. He had many ideas for inventing machines that ran on electricity. Actually, he found many machines that run on electricity. Then move to the fourth point. In 1884, actually he already had idea about science. And move to the fourth point. In 1884, Tesla arrived in New York. Now he is moving to New York with very little money. He don't have much money. He is having only little money and a letter of introduction to the inventor Thomas Edison. He is having a letter to introduce about him to Thomas Edison. And move to the fifth point. Thomas Edison was a famous scientist. Children, do you know who is Thomas Edison? He is also one of the famous scientists who is said to have invented the light bulb. I think you may have bulb in your room, in your house. So this was invented by Thomas Edison. Then move to the sixth point. Edison hired him on the same day. Hired him as he accompanied him as a worker, and they both were working together now. Okay, so Edison hired him on the same day. Then move to the seventh and last point. Edison then began to work on a system that would distribute electricity to all homes and businesses. Now Edison started his work based on electricity distribute to all homes and businesses. Now hope you all have enjoyed this lesson. I'll continue the rest of the lesson in the next week. Thank you, dear children.